Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you in this short video how you can regrow your store-bought lettuce. Yeah, so it's very easy to do and you're gonna regrow it in water, just a cup and water, that's all. And from this lettuce you can get tons of seeds that you can grow over and over again, so that you don't have to go to the store like every year to buy seeds for planting. And the best one is that you can regrow it in water and harvest it and still it grows back. Okay, so this is the real deal. So I'm not gonna waste your time, let's jump right into the process. So all you need is a store-bought lettuce like this. In my own case, I bought about 4 of these, and you're just going to see that it's very fresh. I use it for my salad. I don't know what you use it for, but I'd like to know what you use it for. So leave me a comment in the comment section below. Hey, all right, so I'm just gonna cut this lettuce, say about 3 to 4 inches from the bottom like this, and then I'm going to use this one for salad. Okay, and then you need a cup, fill it with water like this, and then you place the bottom of like the root part in the water like this. Okay, that's all. I'm going to repeat this same process with the other lettuce that I have. Then I'll show you what else to do. So guys, the next step is for you to take your lettuce in your cup of water and place it on your kitchen window like this, where it's gonna get some sunlight. So I filmed this particular part in the night, so that's why outside is kind of dark. Okay, I was using my ring light in the house, so but I'm placing this in my kitchen window. So this is a daytime. I had to film it again in the daytime. This is after 5 days. This is what it looks like after 5 days. And let me tell you guys that out of these 4 lettuce, it was only 2 that made it, that survived. So it's just part of gardening experiences. Okay, but that is okay. So let me show you the 2 that survived. These are the 2 lucky ones that survived. And also want to share with you that you must change your water like every 3 days, because you have to keep your water very fresh. Your water has to be very fresh. So make sure that you change your water every 3 days, or when you see it turn to yellow, you have to change it, pour it and fill it with fresh water. So this is it after 7 days, 1 week. You can see that it's growing out already and the leaves are very green. Oh my god. So you can let it grow out bigger and bigger, and then you cut it and eat, use it as your salad, for your salad, and then let it grow out some more. But I'll equally advise that if you plant it in the soil, it's going to grow out really big, like bigger than this, and then it's going to bring out seeds for you to harvest, so that you can grow some more, like the following year. I had to transfer it into this plastic container so that it will continue to grow bigger and bigger. Thank you for watching, and click the subscribe button for more videos.